Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by assembling your raw material and canvas so you can work efficiently. Import the bracketed shots or a high-quality RAW into Picsart and place each image on its own layer. This preserves exposure detail. Once done, set your project aspect ratio and resolution to match your target output, because upscaling later loses highlight detail. While you organize layers, crop and align roughly, you will refine alignment and masks in the next steps to merge dynamic range cleanly. You now combine exposures and shape tones so details sit naturally across the frame. Start by blending layers. Use multiply on bright layers, screen on dark ones, then tweak opacities to balance midtones. Once blended, add layer masks and paint to reveal the best parts of each exposure. This prevents halos. Then use curves and levels to compress highlights and elevate shadows. Apply Picsart's HDR filter sparingly to enhance texture. Make micro adjustments to color temperature and saturation, so tones remain realistic. You finish by refining details, exporting, and validating the result across devices. Use selective sharpening on textured areas and add subtle noise reduction where needed. This preserves natural skin and foliage. Once happy, export using a high-quality codec and the correct resolution. Test playback on a phone and a monitor to confirm highlight retention. If you see halos or ghosting, stop, undo the last merge, tighten your masks along edges, and reduce HDR filter intensity before re-exporting to avoid visible artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.